In this video, we will demonstrate how to migrate mail from Office 365 to HCL Domino using the BCC Mail Migration Engine. Here we can see Jessie, our user's mailbox, with examples of images, attachments, and links. There are a number of mails in his mailbox that contain this type of content. We'll scroll through a couple of examples now. If we switch to the calendar, we can see that Jessie has some reoccurring appointments. He also has personal contacts too, with images and details against each of the contacts. Before we start the migration, here is our user Jessie's Domino mailbox, which is empty. Let's start the job running and check the settings. The main configuration happens in the input section, where the export format type is EWS because we're migrating from Office 365, and the Domino server and mailbox of our user is entered so we know where the mail will be going. In the export section is where the Office 365 mailbox is defined and the account information for the application impersonation account. The migration job runs as the Domino server ID and as a server task, so there is no need to have access to the user's mailbox. Switching to the Domino console shows us that our migration job is almost complete. The task sends a report back for each 10% increment that has been completed. Now we will switch to Jessie's mailbox in Domino. As you can see, most of the mail has been migrated over. Switching back to the console, we can see that the migration has now been completed. A refresh of the mailbox now shows a completed migration. If we check the mail, we can see that images and links are there. Now let's check Jessie's calendar. As you can see, all of his appointments have been migrated over and the recurring appointments are displayed as expected. The contacts are also migrated with all the details and images for each contact. So there we go, mail migration from Office 365 or on-prem Exchange back to HCL Domino without any drama. Fast, reliable, and secure. If you would like to know more, please check out our website or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.